realize it's maze. Probably everyone has dropped something to the ground by mistake. So did the thing be damaged that way? With our case series, anti-collision protective enclosure, you can no more worry about such accidentally awkward situation. Case series is plastic extrusion box with ABS protective covers. We use A6063 as the material of shells and panels, which has high hardness, good malleability, and conductivity. Although it is split-type enclosure, the K housing is not only dust-proof but also collision-resistant, thanks to the well-made and protective plastic cover. And we have three different models, A, B, and C. Cover of A is fully enclosed. B and C have a large white space in the center. In addition, the covers on model A and B only have 2 screw holes, but C has 4 holes. And we color our aluminium enclosures through anodizing. The color of the enclosures and cover can be customized. For surface treatment, we also offer several choices for you. For example, sandblast or brushed, silk green print or UV print or laser marking. And Yongle Box offers one-stop service. If you only have some rough idea in your mind, don't hesitate to contact us. We have a professional design team helping you to make your idea come true. If you like our products or like this video, subscribe to our channel. You can find more interesting video in our homepage. So see you next time. Bye bye!